Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family, Sunshine Seekers. Today, we're going to talk about the wet and wonderful world of rain. Did you know that rain is actually a vital part of our planet's water cycle? It's what keeps our plants green and our rivers flowing. It's also a natural air conditioner, cooling us down on hot summer days. Rain is a beautiful sight, whether it's a gentle drizzle or a thunderous downpour. It's also a fascinating phenomenon, with rainbows, lightning, and even the occasional hailstorm to keep us on our toes. So, next time it rains, remember to embrace the beauty and importance of this life-giving force. And if you're stuck indoors, don't forget to enjoy the cozy, high feeling of a rainy day. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more fascinating facts and insights. Stay dry, stay safe.